Okay, again, Kian. Cheese. Can you do it? Oh, what's this? Can you do cheese? Show me. Tay, don't. Okay. Very nice smile. Okay, Taylon, ready? You guys gonna sing? Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Kendall. Happy birthday to you.
Woohoo! Okay, Kian, your turn. Your turn.
Go ahead, big boy.
Happy
Birthday.
Come on, you do it. Very nice. Yeah, Daddy went to work. But it's Uncle Kendall's birthday. Oh, I see. Okay, Tay, you gonna do some of your moves?
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, yeah. Okay, back up. Good balancing. And then what about diamond bend? Very nice. Okay, let's say bye-bye, Uncle Kendall.
Bye-bye, Uncle Kendall.
Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Mama.
Say love you.
I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Whoops.